Temba Maliswa has issued his first attack on VP Kozato Chiwenga muna 2026 panguva ine achibudisa mashoko anoshamisa ari kuuya achitaura pamusoro paVP Kozato Chiwenga. Ndisati apinda mashoko anonyatsoratidza kuti these people vakaita sana Maliswa vari kunyatsokuzviexposa, they are just showing and proving themselves kuti vanhu vakaita sei, showing their true colors. Panguva ino zvoita kuti vanhu vanyatsokuona kuti aiwa uyu munhu anzi Maliswa atongoriwo munhu zvake anotongotumwa nezvigananda achingoda kuti anesha general. Don't forget subscribe, like on the bell icon. Ndiyipinda paendo yaMuliswa toona kuti Lynn Emmanuel achimuataka after apa aiwa his response. Panapa Muliswa anodanyira achiti over time this repeated populist posturing by a leader who is already in government becomes mere grandstanding for public applause. Why he not work to eradicate the plundering which he is appointed to do, instead of constantly lamenting and presenting his accomplices as hindrances? He is number 2 and should be telling us measures being instituted to eradicate the plundering and corruption. The people he is lamenting about have been in ZANU-PF and government for a long time, and as reviewed before, actually funded and enabled Operation Restore Lagos, which have given his name a heroic glow. Today he stands on a pedestal of heroism, chiefly because of the same business people he is now accusing of corruption. If anything, we should be the one taxing him for the plundering and corruption, because the accused are people he has been working and cooperating with for years. Thomas Kwantawana Muliswa. Panapa tuna Lynn Emmanuel Ajimata Kachiti. This is nonsense. It is you who have repeatedly run up and down, posturing and seeking attention, ranting and raving like a dog in heat, attacking General with absolutely no response. Your grandstanding for Shigananda was met with complete silence and zero results for the money you were paid. You are a complete failure, an empty vessel, and a total embarrassment to Ubakwashe, who paid you. At this juncture, you should stop talking because no one is listening. Ndo final blow yapiwa kuna Muliswa akadzinyarara zvako nango ukatauriza pana kana rumbo kuterera. Pinako pese kushemedza fungo ema kudikwa muziro kuchitwa ichi. Subscribe, like, chat on the bell icon.